In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTuber in Infinite Craft. So we need two things, and that's YouTube and then baby. Okay, so first off, we're going to make a YouTube, which is as follows. You combine water with fire to get steam, and then steam with fire to get an engine. Now you want to combine engine with steam, which will give you a train, and then engine with yet another engine, which will give you a rocket. And then if you combine train with a rocket, you get a bullet train. Then you want to combine rocket with yet another rocket to get a satellite, and then bullet train with the satellite to get internet. You want to put this to the side, and then you want to combine fire with earth to get lava, and then lava with water, which will give you stone, and then stone with steam, which gives you a geyser, and then geyser with internet, which will give you YouTube. Let's put that to the side since that's the first block we need, and let's make the second block, which is a baby. Now if you combine earth with earth, you get a mountain, and then water with water will give you a lake, and then mountain together with a lake will give you a fjord, and then fjord with water will give you a whale, and then earth with wind will give you dust. Now if you combine whale with dust, you get sperm, and if you combine sperm with dust, you get a baby. And now if we combine YouTuber together with the baby, we get a YouTuber.